Chase said it's custom for me. Come with us to Micro Center as my son builds his custom GPU. I took a step back and allowed Chase to lead the conversation with the management team to come up with a custom list of parts for his gaming PC. I love that he was able to work one-on-one with the build team so that he fully understood each part and how every piece worked together, so if he needed to troubleshoot, he could do it on his own. Y'all, just watching him in his element and using his gifts was such a rewarding feeling for me, and just seeing his face light up once they brought out the box for him to put everything together. Y'all, I was so proud of him. For the past year, he has not wanted anything but to save up so that he could build his own PC. Him building this from scratch just makes him appreciate it so much more. It's so important for me as a parent to invest in my kids' interests, and I cannot wait to see what he does next.